What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Y'all, I didn't think we were going to be back with the babies so soon, but here we are. And we're going to need a quick backdrop. So let's make a box room with a picture frame. This frame is for an 11 by 14 inch picture. I like this size frame. It works pretty good for Barbies when making a small scene. There's a nice amount of space above the doll's head, but if our room is this way, it is a little short for an 11.5 inch doll. But we're gonna make this scene for my mini baby, so I think we'll be okay. Let's open the back of the frame and remove everything. Take cardboard, place the frame on top, and trace around it. Cut on the line drawn to get the back wall of our space. I cut 5-inch wide rectangles for the ceiling and floor and the side walls. Now let's cover them. I'm going to use scrapbook paper, so let's just look through the book to see which one we want to use. Ooh, I like this one. I only have 2 sheets, and it's not enough to cover all of the walls. So I'm just going to cover the back wall. I'm using a glue stick to attach the paper and one of the side walls. For the other wall, I still have a little bit of paper left over. So I draw and cut out a window, glue some of the leftover paper underneath. Let's take some of the plastic from the frame and cut a piece that can fit behind the opening. Glue paper over the edges. Paint 3 popsicle sticks. I'm using vintage white. Let's take a cut piece of a leftover wooden dowel and paint it to match our room. I'm using gold paint. While waiting for it to dry, let's cover the floor with a wood grain paper, and we can cover the ceiling, but I think I'm gonna leave mine white. Now let's go back to the window. This plastic has a little film, so I'm gonna remove one side, then glue it behind the opening. Then glue on the popsicle sticks. I'm adding one to the bottom. Cut a popsicle stick to glue across the middle. Then glue the other one to the top. Take the wooden dowel and glue it across the top. Then we can take ribbon and glue it onto the sides to look like curtains. Now let's glue all the pieces together. First, I glue the floor to the back wall. Then add the side walls. Then the ceiling. Then remove the plastic from the other side of the window, and we have a little box room. Let's take a piece of cardstock and sketch an arch, cut it out, take leftover cardboard, flip it over, and glue it down. Let's make it a little shorter. Cut out the cardboard, glue the cardstock on top. Let's decorate it using some markers to add some little leaves going all the way around. I was trying to paint some clouds, but I'm not loving it. So let's just cover it with more scrapbook paper. I'm just gonna cut some flowers out of scrapbook paper. This came from the same scrapbook paper pad as the wallpaper, so it's all in the same theme. On scrap paper, I sketch a goose or a little duck. I added a little paint and then cut it out. Let's cut craft foam and glue it behind the pieces, then glue them on to give it a little lift, adding some dimension and giving us a cute little birthday backdrop. I glue cardboard in the back to help it stand, cut triangles out of leftover paper, glue them onto thread or embroidery floss to make a banner of flags that we can glue in the box. Let's use a silicone mold and fill it with hot glue. Allow it to cool and remove it from the mold. Take acrylic paint and give it a base coat. I went with a dark brown. Then let's add a little gold paint. I printed off a few pictures of my babies when they were tiny. I cut out a picture and glue it on. I glued a magnet in the back so I can easily move things around and create a gallery wall of my own mini babies. Our little birthday space is coming along. To fill in this spot right here, let's add some of our Matchbox drawers. And we can glue on the gold frame to create a cute little space. and use it for a quick backdrop to check out more Zuru My Mini Baby. This is the Happy Birthday series with 6 babies to collect. It's a pink capsule, and I paid $12.97 per capsule. Let's pull the tab on the side, remove the outer wrapper, remove the inner wrapper, open the capsule. I have 3 paper bags, this, and a collector's guide, showing us all the babies in this collection. And just like with the pumpkin patch, there's a set of twins. Looks like they come with a few accessories. This one comes with a camera. We have balloons and a teddy bear. That one is on a whole cake. There's a high chair, but I do feel like you could probably just decorate one you already have. One is in a gift box. So let's see which one we got. The bags say My Mini in pink, and in the largest bag, we have, I think it's the high chair. Yep, it's the high chair. There are instructions on how to put it together, and it is shaped differently from the earlier My Mini Baby high chairs. Assembly is pretty easy, and we can just add the little decorations right on the front. Actually, I think it looks pretty good with our little backdrop. However, like some My Mini Baby accessories, the scale is a little small for our 1/6 scale world. Let's open another bag. We have little satin bloomers, a bib with Velcro that says Happy Birthday, and a gift box with a painted bow. In the other bag, we find the baby. Looks like a familiar sculpt. When dressing the figure, I do notice that we have a few loose threads, so I'm going to handle with care and try to limit excessive pulling. Let's add the bib, place the figure in the high chair, who is taking a nap at their birthday party. So we'll just open the present. Inside, we find a crown, a cupcake, and a tiny little candle that we can place on the high chair for the baby to blow out. And actually, we can pretend the baby is closing its eyes to blow out the candle. It's a cute little scene. Oh, and there's a number 1 on the crown. Let's open our second capsule. My bad, I totally forgot to shake them so we could compare. Well, I'll shake this one, and you can totally hear stuff shifting around. Now let's open it. I can see blue. This might be another high chair. Yep, it is. Twins. Well, at least now we have 2 cupcakes. Let's open our third capsule. When I shake it, there's a little knocking sound on the inside, but I can't hear the bags shifting, so I don't think this is another high chair. Let's open the largest bag, and we have a large present. It's a pink plastic gift box with a white bow, and when we open it, there's a happy birthday headband, satin pink bottoms that say 1, and a cut piece of pink faux fur. It's a pretty nice size, measuring a little under 5 inches by 4 inches. If we follow the collector's guide, we're supposed to lay it in the box, but the ends might stick out a little. This bag, I think, has the baby. Yep, so let's get it dressed. Again, this looks like a familiar pose, and we're supposed to sit the baby inside of the box and lean the lid on the side. We have one more bag to open, where we find another gift box, and inside, there's a little rabbit in tissue paper, completing the scene. This looks like a little birthday photo shoot, and we can totally use this faux fur as a small rug in the dollhouse. Let's open our fourth capsule. Let's do the shake test. This one has a lot of shifting inside. I just really don't want another high chair, because I really want to see the cake in the little basket with balloons. Oh no, this is totally a high chair. This is my third one. We have quite a few cupcakes. This is our fifth and last capsule. Please be the cake or the basket. Oh wait, forgot to shake it. I hear another knocking. This better not be the pink present again. Oh my goodness. It totally is. So I bought 5 capsules and got a set of triplets and a set of twins. These are surprise capsules, so you don't know what you're gonna get. Overall, I think this series is cute. With only 6 in the collection, I think there is a high chance for doubles and triples. but I think I got a few cute accessories. And I'm loving this cute little room that we made for my mini babies. Let us know in the comments down below if these minis are a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we checked out the My Mini Baby Happy Birthday collection and got crafty. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!